Chief Architect can be used for deck design, landscaping, and site plans. Let's begin with the site plan by creating a terrain perimeter. The terrain perimeter defines the shape of the lot in 2D and can be easily edited. Bearing line information can be entered into the site plan as well. In the terrain specification, I'll set the building pad elevation at 16 inches and turn on the display for the bearing line information. To create the elevation data, you can use an elevation line tool, import from a GPS, or import from a lot survey file. In this site plan, I'll draw a few elevation lines and then generate the terrain contours. In a 3D view, you can see the slope to be used for a walkout basement. There are terrain tools to add features such as hills, valleys, roads, sidewalks, and retaining walls to create a complete site plan or multi-unit development. Once the terrain shape and site plan have been completed, we can begin to add landscaping features. To make it easy, there are pre-arranged landscaping beds in the library to place into the design. Or we can place individual plants by using the Plant Chooser. The Plant Chooser includes plant information on over 3,500 plants. There are several attributes that can be used in a search to find the ideal plants. Let's search for oak. The search results will display on the right side of the screen, which can be displayed by common or scientific name. After placing a plant, open the plant specification and learn detailed information about the plant, including size, sun requirements, and hardiness zone. The hardiness zone maps make it easy to locate the area in which plants live and determine if this type of plant is appropriate for a climate region. Another way to place plants or plant beds is to use the Plant Distribute tool. For this distribution path, I'll place a juniper tree along the fence using a 36-inch spacing. This is a quick way to place plants that you can use to enhance your 3D renderings. To personalize the project for a client, simply take a picture of the lot, import the photo, and use it as the background so that the 3D views show the client's lot, a nice personal touch. Now that the site plan and landscaping are completed, we'll add the final element to the outdoor space, our deck. Using the Deck Railing tool, I will draw a rectangular-shaped deck. Once an area is enclosed, the deck room is created. Now I'll turn the railing off for the deck. Chief Architect also creates the deck framing automatically, including the supports, even when the deck extends out over a sloped lot. If we expose only the framing layer of the deck, all these elements can be manually modified. For decks, you can get a cut and buy list for your materials, covered more in the cost estimating section of the video. In the deck room dialog, there are several options that can be set for the deck or patio, including the roof and ceiling styles, deck planking size, gap, direction, and all of the structural details. You can add stairs, ramps, and coverings. I have already created a trellis for this deck using the Chief Architect CAD tools, and I will place it from my library. To learn more about creating a custom deck covering, search for trellis in our video section of the website. The powerful landscaping and deck tools can help put the finishing touches on any project to help win over the client and gain business.